Imagine being a giant murder chicken that can't fly. Yeah, that was the terror bird. These birds didn't fly. They sprinted at 60 kilometers per hour like angry feathered velociraptors. But turning? Nope. One sharp corner and whoosh, bird crashes straight into a tree. They hunted anything smaller than them, which was great until the Ice Age arrived and everything suddenly got bigger. Sabertooths, direwolves, giant bears. The terror bird took one look and thought, yeah, never mind. And then humans arrived, like, cool bird, dangerous beak. Let's not risk it, just throw spears. Flying? No. Dodging spears? Also no. Climate changed, prey vanished, and being a giant angry chicken was no longer a survival strategy.
And that, T, is why it sucked to be a terror bird.
Enjoyed the video? Show some love. Like, subscribe, and follow our journey through the Ice Age.